Well, this weekend we saw not only summer, spring. This morning you're waking up to winter. Take a live look out of our WRX camera. This is usually something we see within our winter months, but this morning in the middle of April, we're seeing some snow accumulate early on. You'll end up noticing some of those flakes flying as you head out the door. Luckily, we're slowly starting to see some of that taper off. Taking a look at ExactTrack, a lot of that snow slowly starting to move over. Notice already seeing some of that dry air slowly building in a little further to the northwest. We'll continue to see that chance for some light snow early on. Luckily, not expected to stick to your roadways. Roads are a little too warm for that, but we are still seeing a winter weather advisory in effect for Stevenson, Joe Davis, Carroll, and Greene County. Does expire relatively soon at 7 a.m. Still might see some of those impacts on the roadways for that morning commute, along with very breezy conditions. That's one thing that'll stick with us throughout most of our Monday. We'll see a wind advisory in effect until 7 p.m. for areas west of I-39. Your wind gusts may reach up to 45 miles an hour. Very breezy into the rest of our day, and with those cool temperatures, it's going to feel a lot cooler. Not only do we have a little bit of snow on the ground still falling throughout most of the area, your temperatures also dropped into the low 30s. Now below freezing, a very chilly start to the morning. In fact, with those windy conditions, it feels like we're in the teens. My goodness, such a change from the 80s we saw just a couple days ago. Big difference this morning. Might want to bring out some of those winter jackets you might have put away. Taking a look at how long the snow lasts, it won't be for very long. Heading into the rest of your morning, you'll notice we quickly end up tapering off by about 7:30. May still see some isolated pockets of snow even through mid-morning, but the further we get through our Monday, the more that activity exits. May just see a couple flurries into your afternoon, as we'll also stay fairly breezy. Winds will still gust near 40 miles an hour. Here's about 10:30. Seeing those stronger gusts out of the northwest throughout most of our area, helping bring in a lot of those cooler temperatures. We'll still end up seeing your wind gusts over 30 miles an hour into the evening. It's not until tonight do we see the winds slowly start to settle, especially early into Tuesday morning. For today, it's going to feel a whole lot like winter, at least in the morning. We'll climb just barely into those low 40s, still staying very windy today, so keep that in mind. You'll even notice those stronger gusts on the roadways this morning. The snow will come to an end as cloud cover itself starts to exit overnight. Your temperatures, however, drop into the upper 20s. Very chilly overnight as the winds start to die down, and then spring returns fairly quickly into tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures back in the upper 50s. By Wednesday, we have another chance of seeing stronger storms. Another quick turnaround, the entire area, a 1 out of 5 when it comes to that severe potential. If any storms become severe later into the day on Wednesday, damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concern. As far as the rest of the forecast goes, we stay active. Another chance for showers and thunderstorms by Thursday. Temperatures bounce back though. We're close to 70 degrees into your Wednesday and Thursday in your most accurate 10-day forecast. We slowly start to drop things off once again into your weekend. We may even still fall into the 30s overnight, especially as we head into the end of our week.